Hard truth can't swallow, need a bartender. Put me out my sorrow. Wake up the next day and the Monte Carlo with a new woman.
Hello everyone, today I'm showing you a better look at my 2001 Monte Carlo LS. Now, as far as I've uploaded, all you have seen is just a video of me buying it. But I've yet to show you what it actually looks like in the daylight, you know, where you can actually see what's going on and it's not in my pocket. Because the reason my phone was in my pocket recording was because I had to have my hands free to test drive the car and to look at the car and all that stuff. So here it is, my 2001 Monte Carlo LS. Now unfortunately I can no longer start it at the moment because it's either having an issue with the security system or a fuse is out. But luckily, a guy bought this old mechanic shop that an old guy that I knew used to own, and now he's doing work there. He's come over and look at it, and that's how I know it's either the security system or something to do with the fuse. But I can still show you what it looks like, and I can show you the interior, which you have not seen very well. So some of the downsides: does not have the Monte Carlo badge, so I'm going to be putting a different one on there. I believe, hold on, both of the tires are perfectly fine, but the guy who I bought it from, his name was Dawson, said that he blew out one of the tires, I don't know how long ago, so he had to put new tires on there. But as far as I know, the rims are completely fine. I never noticed any cracks on them when I was buying it. The front bumper is the only thing that's screwed up on the bodywork, other than a few minor dents. As you can see down there. The interior is very nice. A little bit dirty, but as far as that, I mean, I can just clean it up. There's no rust on it, except for a little bit right there. Just very small amount. It's got these really cool Chevy rims with like a black pattern and the Chevy bow tie on there. Brake rotors look okay. I might change those out, but they seem to be okay. It's got the Monte Carlo badges. Now unfortunately they don't appear to be in the best condition right there. Now how about I show you the interior. Now this is of course the LS, so it's got a more nice luxurious interior. Got a nice back seat, got a nice sunroof. Go and have a look up at the sky. Interior is very clean, as you can see. But tomorrow after I get off work, I'm going to be pushing it across the street so that I can have it looked at. It's got the interior Monte Carlo badge that I love. The seats are very comfortable. The steering wheel doesn't actually have radio controls on it, which is normal for cars of this age. But as you can see, it's got an aftermarket Bluetooth radio and a Pioneer speaker system, I believe. So that's that. Unfortunately, like I said, I cannot start it up. Have to have it looked at tomorrow. You can see. Now just ignore my socket kit in the back there. You can take a nice look up at the top if you want to. There's a little message board. And the controls for the sunroof and all of that. Right there. Got flip down mirrors. With lights on them, of course, in case it's nighttime. Now, there's no way, as far as I know, to actually turn on the light on the interior unless the door is opened. So that kind of sucks. Again, it's very comfortable. As you can see, here's a good look at the interior. Let me actually show you what happens if you try to start it. Absolutely nothing. trying to see, because it's something to do with the alarm, but since you're already in the car, the alarm ain't gonna go off. But just to show you one more time, look at the dashboard and watch. Turn the key, doesn't start. Nothing. It sometimes will turn the radio on, like this morning. There's a check engine light, but that's it. Just refusing to start. So anyways, I'll have to update you if I find out anything. Because it still won't start. Although the mechanic did get the engine started by using what is it called? Just a smaller wrench. I don't remember what they're called. Why the hell can't I remember what they're called? To just turn it and start it manually, but it will start, but it will shut off after a couple seconds. So he says it's probably something to do with the security system, which if that is the case, then I'm going to have to take it to a dealership, which is going to be very difficult considering I can't start the damn thing. But hopefully that is not the case. But anyway, I'll find out tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my 2001 Monte Carlo LS, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you think down below. This is one of my all-time dream cars. I always loved him ever since I saw the Dale Earnhardt Jr. editions driving around when I was a little kid. And I was like, you know what, that looks like a NASCAR car. And of course, that's what they're meant to look like. And so I ended up getting one as my first car, which is quite a big accomplishment if you ask me, because I've always wanted one of these. It's not my all-time dream car though, because that would be a very difficult choice to make. You know, I'd always love to have a General Lee, or to have like a brand new Camaro or an older Camaro. All these, there's so many different cars. I can't really make a decision for my all-time dream car because that's a very difficult thing to do. But anyways, that's about all I have for you today. Eventually, I will have a video of me either changing out the air filter and putting in a cold air intake, putting on the, well actually I don't believe I've told you yet, but I'm going to be putting on stickers with the link to my YouTube channel right on the windows. That's going to be one of the first things that I do. Going to do a muffler delete on it, maybe change it for a new exhaust. Other than that, I really can't think of much else to tell y'all. I really do hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for all the support. Unfortunately, we're still below 700 subscribers. It seems that for some reason, the last couple months, I had like 720 something subscribers at some point, but now we're at like 693, which is fine. As long as the people that are here are enjoying the videos, that's all I want. And as far as I can tell, it seems everybody is. I'm still going to do some gaming videos, I suppose, but the majority is going to be based on my car or other random things that I do, such as the Old Threshers reunion I uploaded not too long ago, which got like 300 views or something, which is absolutely amazing, or like the Iowa State Fair, other videos like that. Hopefully, I'll see you guys soon. I'm also going to be buying the Nintendo Switch Lite Pokemon Edition, if I can get my hands on one. I'll make a video unboxing that as well. I do like Nintendo, and I am a Pokemon fan, as well as a lot of other stuff. I've been dragging this outro out very long, but yeah, thanks for all the support. I'm glad everybody's enjoying the car as much as I am. I'll see you guys next time.